Hello everyone, welcome back to Sea and Ship. In today's video, we'll go through the weekly routine checks of a rescue boat carried out on board a merchant ship. These inspections help ensure the rescue boat is always ready for immediate use during an emergency. Let's begin. First, carry out a general visual inspection of the rescue boat. Check the hull for any cracks, dents, or damage. Make sure the boat is clean and free from oil, water, or loose equipment. Next, inspect the drain plug and confirm that it is fitted securely. Check the fuel tank and ensure there is sufficient fuel for operation. Now inspect the engine oil level and top it up if necessary. Also check the cooling water system and look for any signs of leakage. Inspect the battery condition. Make sure the battery is fully charged, the terminals are clean, and all electrical connections are secure. Test the steering system and throttle controls. They should move smoothly without excessive play or resistance. Check the painter line, towing arrangement, lifting hooks, and release mechanism for proper condition and operation. Verify that all mandatory safety equipment is available and in good condition. This includes life jackets, first aid kit, bailer, bucket, flashlight, knife, paddles, and other equipment required by your company and SOLAS. If the rescue boat is fitted with communication equipment, check that the VHF radio is operational. Now, start the engine. Allow it to idle for a few minutes. Check for abnormal vibration, unusual noise, fuel or oil leaks, and confirm that cooling water is discharging properly. Finally, record all inspection results in the planned maintenance system or maintenance logbook. Report and rectify any defects immediately. Regular weekly inspections improve safety, ensure compliance with SOLAS requirements, and most importantly, keep the rescue boat ready to save lives when needed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sea and Ship for more marine engineering and shipboard maintenance videos. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.